Lily's eyes widened with wonder as she and Squeak ventured deeper into the enchanted forest. The towering trees seemed to lean in, their branches swaying gently as if welcoming them. Sunlight filtered through the lush canopy, casting a warm glow upon the mossy ground beneath their feet. "Look, Lily!" Squeak exclaimed, his bushy tail twitching with excitement. "Up ahead, there's a clearing where the fairies dance." Lily followed the squirrel's gaze and gasped as a flurry of tiny, glittering creatures emerged from the undergrowth. Their delicate wings fluttered in a mesmerizing dance, their laughter like the tinkling of bells. "They're beautiful," Lily whispered, entranced by the sight. She reached out a hand, but Squeak quickly stopped her. Ah, the squirrel scolded playfully. "You must never touch the fairies. Their magic is delicate, and they do not take kindly to being disturbed." Lily nodded, understanding the need to respect the forest's inhabitants. As they continued their journey, Squeak pointed out various other magical creatures. A herd of graceful unicorns drinking from a crystal-clear stream, a family of chattering chipmunks scurrying up the trees, and a flock of iridescent butterflies fluttering through the air. "This place is truly enchanting," Lily marveled, her eyes sparkling with wonder. "I can't believe I've been missing out on all of this." Squeak chuckled, his bushy tail swishing back and forth. "The forest is full of wonders, Lily, but it also holds great danger. You must always be mindful of your surroundings and respect the delicate balance of nature." Lily nodded solemnly, her curiosity tempered by Squeak's wise words. "I will, Squeak. I want to learn everything I can about this magical place and how to protect it." The squirrel seemed pleased with her response. "That's good, Lily. The forest needs guardians like you, those who can see its beauty and understand its importance." He paused, his expression turning more serious. "But you must also be wary. There are dark forces at work here, and they seek to disrupt the harmony of this enchanted realm." Lily felt a shiver run down her spine at the mention of these dark forces. "What kind of dangers are we facing, Squeak?" she asked, her voice laced with concern. Squeak's eyes darkened. "There is a being known as the Shadow, a manifestation of the forest's own dark magic. It seeks to corrupt and control the very essence of this place, upsetting the balance between light and dark, wonder and peril." Lily's brow furrowed as she tried to comprehend the gravity of the situation. "How can we stop this, Shadow?" she asked, determination burning in her eyes. "It will not be an easy task," Squeak admitted. "The Shadow is cunning and powerful, and it has already begun to spread its influence throughout the forest. We must tread carefully and seek the guidance of those who have walked this path before." As if on cue, a deep resonant hoot echoed through the trees, and a majestic owl emerged from the shadows.